Hi everybody, it's Shubha Sriram, Mrs. India Karnataka 2016, and today I'm here at Satvam, Sadashiv Nagar. As we all know, the COVID pandemic has changed perceptions about a lot of things, especially about food, eating outside, and all of us have our own apprehensions, especially now that the lockdown has ceased. We all now must be thinking, how is that we will go out and eat, shouldn't we, a lot many questions. But today I'm here at Satvam, and this is my first eating out experience after the lockdown. And why I chose Satvam, as we all know, it's a great place, very hygienic, superb ambience. And now I've come and seen that they have taken the utmost care and all precautions, maintaining the hygiene, sanitizing procedures right from the place we entered, from the lid outside, and the way they, kept our food covered up, glasses covered up. It was totally hygiene maintained from the start to the finish. Of course, the quality in the food, we all know how good Satvam is, but the icing on the cake here is that the utmost care and precision to hygiene and maintaining standards because of this virus going around. So I must say that I felt very nice, very safe to eat here, and I want you all to come and experience the same. There is nothing to fear, so come and have a great experience at Satvam. Thank you.
Ellarku Namaskara Bengaluru, and I'm at Satvam right now in Sadashiv Nagar, and what an amazing place. Yes, you've been craving some amazing food, and this is the place to be. Satvam is now open. You get all Sattvic food and amazing food. After eating the entire course, you just feel like sleeping. They are not putting any beds outside. But the first and foremost question comes in your mind: is it safe to come out and eat? See, if you come to Satvam, this place is sanitized every time. You see all the tables here. All the tables have different time to be on, and these tables are used twice in a day. So once it is used for one guest, it will be used in the evening. It will be totally sanitized, and then it will be used. Of course, you will experience touchless buffet experience, so you don't have to go to the counters and eat food. Everything will be served on your table. ऐसा लगेगा मतलब शादी में आप बाराती हो, ऐसे ही आपको खाना यहाँ पे सर्व किया जाएगा. So come to Satvam and enjoy the amazing food here. Do not miss the desserts. They are to die for. Of course, after eating that, you just want to sleep. Buon appetito.
Hi, I'm Pramila. I'm so delighted to be here today at Satvam. It's one of my most favorite places because I love vegetarian food, and they have authentic vegetarian. I just love the food. I love the way it was served, and most importantly, what I noticed when I walked in here is that they follow 100% standard of hygiene and safety measures, right from the entry point, right from the parking till you come up, till the way the food was served. I'm totally amazed. The staff were very warm and courteous. And of course, the food was out of the world. Some of the dishes were like tremendous. For example, I love the mango kheer. It reminded me of my grandma's recipe. I was so delighted to be here. I spent some quality time with my dear friends. And I'm definitely going to come back with my family. Thank you so much. It's been a beautiful experience. I just love being here this afternoon at Satvam.
Hi guys, I'm Arinda. After nearly 3 months of lockdown, I decided to venture out to eat. I'm here at Satvam, which serves some excellent Sattvic food. Really good food, very good varieties and desserts. But the main thing, what they are absolutely maintaining is the hygiene and the entire thing about social distancing and keeping everybody of their diners safe. The way they present the food, the way they come up is excellent. No issues. Come out, get your tables reserved, come here and enjoy the dining experience. That's all. I had a good time. Cheers.
Hi folks, Manish here. I'm here at Satvam, Sadashiv Nagar, Bangalore, the restaurant that serves some of the best Sattvic food. Well, I know it's been a lockdown time, 2.5 months, I think we have not been going out. Thankfully, things are getting better and Satvam is open. And the best part is Satvam has made sure that it is so clean that you would definitely want to come down and have some beer. So starting from the place where you're taking the lift to come up, there's a person taking you a sanitizer. Even if you're coming up, there's again a sanitizer because you might touch a button and actually probably there might be something that happens. So better actually keep it clean. The tables are so neatly set up. All the plates are all nicely covered, and the table once used actually is not used again in the same time of the day. So only one time a person can dine in, and the next time it's again going to be completely sanitized and it's going to be available for the next time in the evening. That is really cool. I think at least we're trying to instill the fact that the thing about we're trying to think about social distancing or cleanliness, hygiene is being completely maintained. The food definitely is always an amazing experience when you have at Satvam because they have some of the best Sattvic food that you will just love. Starting from your starter, desserts, you want to try your doklas, you want to try if your vada pav kind of thing, that's modified version of it, or Indian curries. Amazing experience. The team of the chefs who are working around this have done an amazing job. Even the serving staff are so hygiene. They're making so much hygiene. You can see them all covered up. They're actually wearing the mask and also wearing the gloves. It's so clean. So if you're actually having any doubt in your mind, if at all you should venture out, whether I'm going to be safe, you can keep all those doubts at bay and you can just come to Satvam. I had a lovely time. Thanks to Chef Aditya for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to come in and experience the food over here.
Hi, I'm Aditya, co-founder at Satvam. Namaskar. So basically, I would like to tell you all that we have opened Satvam again after the lockdown, and it's been 2 days that we are open, and we've taken a lot of measures on the safety part. We were anyways a very pure, a very hygienic food restaurant. We are famous for being pure and hygienic, and we serve fresh food. We are bettering ourselves in terms of hygiene and terms of safety that is required in today's post lockdown period. We are suffering with this pandemic, and which is required right now. So I request you all to come and experience this and give us feedback. And I welcome you all to Satvam once again. Thank you so much.